The Daily Code Snippet. Another important task to making a website accessible is to declare the language of a web page. This is accomplished by declaring the language in the HTML element by using the lang or language attribute. The lang attribute has predefined values, and here are a few examples. DE, German. EN, English. EN-US, American English. EN-GB, British English. ES, Español, Spanish. FR, French. HE, Hebrew. HI, Hindi. JA, Japanese. NV, Navajo. RU, Russian. TL, Tagalog. UR, Urdu. ZH, Chinese. This is how the HTML would look. HTML opening tag, lang equals AR, in quotation marks, HTML closing tag. HTML opening tag, lang equals EN-US in quotation marks, end HTML tag. Closing HTML tag. HTML opening tag, lang equals EN-GB in quotation marks, HTML closing tag. HTML lang equals ES in quotation marks, HTML closing tag. HTML lang equals DE in quotation marks, HTML closing tag. HTML opening tag, lang equals NV in quotation marks, HTML closing tag. HTML opening tag, lang equals ZH in quotation marks, HTML closing tag. So in the first example, we are declaring the language in Arabic, the second in American English, the third in British English, the fourth in Spanish, the fifth in German, the sixth in Navajo, and the last in Chinese. Presented by Designers Learn Code.